charming facade of this character-filled Californian bungalow lies a renovation you're not going to want to miss. It's a stunning, open-plan residence offering privacy and light. Hi, I'm Chris Panisi, proudly representing Pello on the northern suburbs, and it's a real honour today to show you this home, just footsteps from top Ryde. Let's go and take a look. Aside from the quality of renovation throughout and the solid build, what I feel like will resonate with most families is the selection of living spaces on offer, including this lovely open plan space with tall rake ceilings, a formal dining and living area, and a selection of outdoor areas as well. It'll be a place for family and friends to gather all year round. Character homes that have been renovated and extended to this standard in such a convenient location are very hard to find. If I can help you with any inquiries, feel free to get in touch. Otherwise, we look forward to meeting you at our upcoming open home.